What's the meaning of cheddar cheese? Cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese.
Cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese is a type of hard, yellow or orange cheese that originated in the English village of Cheddar. It is typically made from cow's milk, although goat's milk and sheep's milk can also be used. The cheese is aged anywhere from a few months to several years, which affects its flavor and texture. Cheddar cheese has a nutty, rich taste, and can be eaten on its own or used as an ingredient in recipes such as sandwiches, macaroni and cheese, and cheeseburgers. It is a popular cheese all over the world.